Well, we made it back to civilization. You can see some trucks, and this is where we're planning on camping actually. There's a few people up here with tents, and but we never made it here. We were actually a good 5 hours away. We thought we were going to end up here last night, but stayed on the trail last night, and took us 5 hours to get out. We're just going to have supper here. It's about 5 o'clock, so just got the gear out. I'm going to have some pork and rice, celebrate. And we're having a cider because that was a challenge. We had some quite a few obstacles to overcome, and nobody panicked. We had some pretty dangerous water crossing at one point. It was almost up over the hood, so and nobody had snorkels, so that was that would never be a good thing. But we were all linked up to each other trying to cross the river, and we had to winch from onto each other and stuff to get out, but we did it.